Hello, sweet little kids. I hope you well. Welcome to my channel, Asma Art. So today we draw how to draw baby bottles and learn colors. So here I draw 1, 2, 3 straight line like this. It's feeding nipples. One curved line, two curved line, three curved line. Do it with the same.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
And also three straight lines. Some faces, naughty naughty faces. The happy face, it's the happy face. The eyes, lashes and smiley. It's cozy and sleepy face. It's happy bottle. And this naughty naughty bottle. Coloring time. I use pink color. Pink color is my favorite. What's your favorite color? Tell me in the comment. Brown color. You can also add in your favorite color. Green color. Yellow color. Yellow color. And yellow color. Say it with me. Yellow color. Green color. Red color. Blue color. If you like my video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest videos. Wow! It looks beautiful. We have done it. Bye.